Hello, my name is Q Kodawala. I'm an auto engineer and I'm doing a lot of investigation regarding the Ford Focus. I'm going deeply into major problems that are being created by the Ford Focus. One, today we are investigating the, the firing power, misfiring, probably due to the spark plug or the coil leads or the coil pipe. So today my investigation is to know from this Ford Focus, from my Ford Focus, which of these leads is not conducting the coring well, the spark from the coil pipe here into the spark plug. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the engine on. When I turn the engine on, I'm going to go from the shortest lead, the next one, the third one, and the longest lead. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take each of these spark plug, spark lead, the coil lead, and then spark it on here. This is a little bolt here. And from there, I will know which one of these lead is not conducting the spark. So I'm going to turn the engine on now. I turn the engine on. Go back to the car. Now you can see that I'm going to actually pull the first lead, which is the shortest one here. I don't need any spark plug because spark plug could be dangerous, especially if you're working in a rainy environment. So I'll pull this one. I want to know whether this one is the problem. And from now I can even tell from the engine sound that this could also have a problem, but I cannot tell here. So I'm going to spark it here. Look, what I'm doing, I'm just hanging it over this one, over the little screw, the bolt there, and I can actually tell that this is firing. So the firing power from here is quite enough. So I'm going to put this one back. I'm going to stick this one back. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the second lead. I put it up. This is second lead. This second lead, in fact, as I put it up, look, it's firing from there instead of from the anchor here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hang it over here. Can you tell that, in fact, this is not firing here? There's no power coming here. I swear to my God, there's no power coming here. So instead, it's firing at the top here. So this indicates to me that this lead, this one, the second one, is faulty because it's firing from the top. Probably it's because the leads are broken. So I'm going to put that one back. Why it is firing like that? Then I take the third one. I want to see whether there's enough power from the third one. Now I can tell that the third one is actually firing up. Can you see? Can everyone see? This is actually firing up. Look, this is the third one. So I put that one back. The engine sound has changed again. It's running, seems to be running smooth. I take the fourth one, which is this one. Then I hang it over this one again. And the fourth one seems to have very, very little power coming out. The fourth one seems to have very little power coming up. It's not shooting as it should. Look, look, look. But compare the first one. Compare the. Let me just put this one back here. So compare the first one. Let's compare the third one. Look, look. As it hang over there, look. It's just shooting. It's just shooting. I don't even have to carry close. But now, the fourth one, look, look, there's no power in fact, look, very little power, very little power. So I know that the second and the shortest one is okay. The second shorter one is not good, and the longest one is not good. So number 2 and number 4 are the problem. So To get a new lead, it costs about 25 pounds, 65 pounds, 45 pounds, it depends where you go. So I will go to the scrapyard and get number 2 lead and number 4 lead and then replace them, which is about 6 quid. I hope this video has taught you how to diagnose your problem with the coil pack, the coil lead on your Ford Focus. Thank you very much. If you have got any problem, just contact me and I'll be with you. Thank you, bye.